Today, we're exploring the heart of St. Louis, Missouri to discover the fascinating, beautiful, confounding, sweaty, and one-of-a-kind City Museum, a true testament to the power of creativity and play. Opened in 1997, the City Museum is a unique 600,000 square foot urban playground and architectural marvel located in the former International Shoe Company building. It's a stunning blend of art, adventure, and discovery, designed by the talented late artist Bob Casilli and his team of artisans known as the Casilli Crew. The City Museum is a place where imaginations run wild and where visitors of all ages can explore, play, and create unforgettable memories. What makes the City Museum so special is its dedication to reusing and repurposing found objects from around the city of St. Louis. The museum features over 10,000 tons of salvage materials, including pieces from old bridges, chimneys, construction cranes, and even a retired school bus. The museum is spread across several floors, each with its unique theme and attractions, from the enchanted caves and shoe shaft to the Monstrasso City and the rooftop Ferris wheel. There's always something new and exciting to discover. With over 700,000 visitors each year, the City Museum has become one of the most popular tourist destinations in St. Louis. One of the most iconic attractions at the City Museum is Monstrasso City, an enormous outdoor playground with interconnected tunnels, slides, and climbing structures. This massive play space features 2 repurposed airplanes and a fire truck, where visitors can climb and explore to their heart's content. For those who love a touch of the surreal, the enchanted caves and shoe shaft take visitors on an underground adventure through a labyrinth of winding tunnels filled with fantastic sculptures, hidden gems, and a 10-story slide that descends into the depths of the museum. Don't forget to visit the rooftop, where you'll find the amazing Ferris wheel, offering stunning views of the city skyline. The rooftop also features a cantilevered school bus hanging precariously over the edge of the building, providing visitors with a truly thrilling experience. These are just a few of the many areas to discover, and discovery is what City Museum is all about. The best thing to do is just explore and see where you end up. It always feels like there's a tunnel nearby that will take you somewhere else completely new. Whether you're interested in art, history, architecture, or an Instagram opportunity, the City Museum is not just for kids. Here are a few tips for adults visiting the City Museum. Number 1, dress comfortably. The City Museum is an interactive, hands-on experience with lots of climbing, crawling, and sliding. Wear comfortable clothing that you don't mind getting dirty and closed-toed shoes to fully enjoy the adventure. Number 2, visit during off-peak hours. To avoid large crowds and to make the most of your experience, try visiting during weekdays or evenings. The museum is typically less crowded during these times, allowing for a more relaxed exploration. There are occasionally events exclusive to adults too. Number 3, take your time. The City Museum is a massive, ever-changing space filled with hidden treasures and surprises. Allocate enough time to fully explore and appreciate the creativity that went into every corner of this unique attraction. Number 4, don't be afraid to play. While the City Museum is a fantastic destination for children, it's also a great place for adults to unleash their inner child. Embrace the spirit of play and join in on the fun. You'll be surprised at how much you enjoy yourself.
Oh my God.
Remember, the City Museum is a place where adults can reconnect with their inner child, so embrace the opportunity to let loose and have a fantastic time. I've found that there is no perfect way to explain the City Museum to people who haven't been. It's a place that defies words and somehow hangs in my memory constantly. Friends who've been always find ourselves lamenting, what if we just drove to St. Louis next weekend to go to the City Museum for just one day? It should go without saying that we love the City Museum. As we've explored the captivating spaces and ingenious creations within the City Museum, it's impossible not to feel a deep sense of wonder and appreciation for the unbridled creativity that went into its design. This magical place serves as a reminder in our fast-paced, technology-driven world. There's still immense value in taking a step back to embrace the joy of play and the beauty of imagination. The City Museum is a tribute to the limitless potential of the human spirit when we allow ourselves to dream, create, and explore. It shows us that there's always more to discover and that our surroundings can be transformed into something extraordinary. This space, born from the imagination of artists and dreamers, has transformed a once abandoned factory into a playground of boundless possibilities. The City Museum teaches us that creativity knows no limits, and that we are all capable of shaping the world around us in unexpected and delightful ways.